What's up everyone? We're coming at you with a brand new type of video to the channel. Not just a skating video, but a third person perspective skating video. Well, what does that mean? That means that all of the footage that you see is going to be shot from over my shoulder like we're playing Grand Theft Auto. I know a lot of videos that you see of people downtown are from a head cam perspective, mouth, maybe chest, or even on a gimbal in the hand. This is completely hands-free on a backpack rig that we made. We came across the idea one night while looking at some memes, and I was struck with genius and told myself we had to do this. We're always looking for a way to show people what the city looks like through our eyes when we go around and look at it. And now I think this is one of the best ways to do that. So this is, the first of many videos we'll be making. If you guys like what you're seeing, go ahead and drop a like and a comment, please. Let me know what else you all would like to see around the city if you're from here. If you're not from here, name a couple things and maybe we can get around to recording it and you guys can check it out on the channel here. Otherwise, enjoy the video. Oh, nice.
Your straps tight?
Yeah.
Nice. Viewer, yeah.
Right.
I want to get a big sticker. It's like the screws like stripped.
It's so shallow, like.
Oktoberfest, bro.
You just gotta watch your sides because these are one ways, and they don't have stop signs. Oh, you wanna go down Bourbon? Damn. Listen to the same radio station? Bring your left hand. I
Hey, chill. Right behind you. We gotta get out of this man's way. I'm coming over your way. Green. Ooh, almost took my hat. Yeah. Young Dolph, right? Is that right?
Young Dolph, bro.
Okay. Is it D-O-F or D-O-L-F?
D-O-L-F.
Wow. Hey, we wanted to catch this the whole time. Oh my gosh. Negative, Ghost Rider. You got me.
David's board's fast.
I know. He be getting it, ripping again. He's probably also got some killer leg muscles too.
You don't need that, son.
Yeah, son. And it's like this all the way back there too. Darcy blows. What, that up? Angles and speed.
Yeah, I went straight up that bitch.
Alright, so this is a big piece of concrete and it's pretty spaced, so just kind of trying like, some of the lights might be out. See if you see anything dark so you can hop. It's nice. But the other side definitely has, we usually only go that way when there's trains. What time is it? What time is it?
You probably want me to think about it.
because you can get to it from the from another angle over by the wharf. But the roof is just sheet metal. You'd fall right through. There's barely any support. Get some PVC pipe and make a. Hey, we can go this way, huh? And build a square frame, and then put the thing for the GoPro up top. Woo. For the gates.
You got that.
Come on, Amy.